हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू वाव आईएएस। वेलकम टू द डेली एमसीक्यू डिस्कशन। आज है 14th ऑफ मई 2021 और अब हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं आज का 5 एमसीक्यूज। तो बिफोर वी बिगिन, आई वुड लाइक टू इन्फॉर्म यू अबाउट द इनिशिएटिव्स दैट वी एट वाव आईएएस have launched. वाव आईएएस has launched the Vision Prelims Test Series Summary and Vision PT365 Summary to help you in the revision process. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको इन समरीज जेपीजी फॉर्मेट में चाहिए तो यू कैन फाइंड देम इन आवर टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. इफ यू वांट द समरीज इन द पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट, you can subscribe to these initiatives whose details I have given here. You can also find these details in our telegram channel, so do join our telegram channel whose details are mentioned in the description. ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. The first question is about the Osiris-Rex. Consider the following statement with respect to Osiris-Rex spacecraft. First one, it is a joint project of ISRO and European Space Agency on asteroid Bennu. The second statement, the main asteroid belt in the region between Earth and Mars. Okay? So we have to choose the correct statement. The first statement, it is a joint project of ISRO and European Space Agency on asteroid Bennu. So Osiris-Rex is an initiative. It is a spacecraft in order to explore asteroid Bennu. That is right. But it is not a joint project between ISRO and European Space Agency. It is a project belonging to NASA. So this first statement is wrong. Second statement, it is about the main asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is actually located between Mars and Jupiter, but not Earth and Mars. So this second statement is also wrong. So option D, neither 1 nor 2 is the correct option. This question was actually asked because तो recently क्या हुआ कि the Osiris-Rex spacecraft of NASA, it has departed from this asteroid Bennu. It has collected few rock samples and others, okay, and now it is going to bring back these samples to the Earth. Okay, it's a 2-year long journey which it has started. That is why this was in news. This Osiris-Rex actually it stands for Origins, Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security, Regolith Explorer. Okay, this is the basic expansion of Osiris-Rex. Okay, remember this because this also might be a question. You see, every year in prelims, there is one or the other question with regarding to these spacecrafts and others. Last year also in 2020, there was a question like this. Okay, so just keep an eye on these small things. Osiris-Rex means origins, spectral interpretation, resource identification, security, regolith explorer. In October 2020, the spacecraft briefly touched asteroid Bennu, from where it collected samples and dust particles. Okay, so this is the first NASA's mission which is actually bringing back samples from another celestial body to the Earth, right? So what are asteroids? Asteroids are basically the rocky objects that orbit the sun. The rocky objects that orbit the sun are called asteroids. Okay? If they are coming towards the Earth, they are called meteors. Okay. If the celestial bodies, any rocky particle, if it is coming into the Earth, it is called a meteor. Okay? And Bennu is an asteroid that is located about 200 million miles away from the Earth. It is believed to have born in the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, which we have discussed already. Okay? Now we'll move on to the next question. The next question is about the economic term run rate. See, every year there is some or the other question with regard to some terms, and the terms from economy are very, it is being asked very frequently in a lot of exams. So this term which was recently in news, it becomes important for us to know about this. So economic term run rate sometimes seen in the news is related to A, specific amount to be held as a reserve with RBI in form of cash or cash equivalent. B, financial performance of a company using current financial information as a predictor of future performance. C, merchant discount rate. D, the official interest rate at which RBI will provide loan to the banking system. Now, what is run rate? Okay. See, let's say you don't know anything about this term run rate. Normally, the run rate which we will see in cricket, we will be seeing the run rate. Run rate means the number of runs scored in the overs. Okay, let's say a team has scored 300 runs in 50 overs. That means the run rate is 6 per over, right? 6 per over. This is the run rate. Okay, if a team has to score 300 runs in 50 overs, then the required run rate will be 6 per over. That means we are forecasting something. That means we're forecasting something using the data that we have. So the same logic if we apply to this economic term, so it is nothing but the prediction. So the prediction of the financial performance of a company using the current financial information as a predictor of future performance. That means using the current fiscal status of the company. What are the profits? What are the what are the investments that is doing? What are the capital costs? What are the other costs involved? So using all this information, if we are going to predict what is going to be the next year financial condition of that company, then that is called as run rate. यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, इस साल का सब कुछ इकोनॉमिक इंफॉर्मेशन कंपनी का कलेक्ट करके वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिडिक्ट अगले साल का economic details. We are going to predict all the financial situation of the company for the next year. That is what is called as run rate. ठीक है? So option B is the right answer. So why this question was asked is recently Indian Oil Corporation has reduced its refinery run rate to 88%, and also BPCL, which is going to be privatized, it also has reduced its run rate to 85%. So here run rate means in the oil sector, run rate means what it is producing and what it can produce. That means it is the relative refinery performance, okay, relative, you can say relative processing performance of the company compared to what it can actually do. Okay, that is what is called as run rate here. Now some more information about the run rate. Run rate is the financial performance of a company using current financial information as a predictor of future performance. The run rate assumes that the current conditions will continue. Okay, so that means, so as a give example already, अगर कंपनी का इस साल का इन्वेस्टमेंट्स एक्स अमाउंट और इसका प्रॉफिट्स वाई अमाउंट और इसका सैलरीज इसका ये अमाउंट, सो इन सबको मिला के if we are predicting what is going to be next year's financial situation of the company or financial performance of the company, तो इसको हम बोलते हैं रन रेट. ठीक है, इस साल का डेटा लेके अगले साल का परफॉर्मेंस इवैल्यूएट करना इज नथिंग बट रन रेट इन सिंपल वर्ड्स. The run rates help in formulating performance estimates of the companies that have been operating for short period of time. Run rates may also refer to the average annual dilution from company stock grants over the most recent 3-year period recorded in the annual report. ठीक है, so yeah, run rate क्या करता है कि it help in evaluating companies which are there only for short term. जो क्योंकि कुछ कंपनीज ऐसे होते हैं दैट विल बी देयर फॉर 6 months और 1 year, एंड इफ यू वांट टू इवैल्यूएट देयर फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन और इफ यू वांट टू फोरकास्ट फ्यूचर देखना है उन कंपनीज का, देन फॉर दैट सिचुएशंस वी विल यूज दिस टर्म रन रेट. ठीक है, now we'll move on to the next question. The next question is with respect to Bima Bamboo. Bima Bamboo was in news lately. So what is Bima Bamboo? Consider the following statements about this Bima Bamboo. First statement: it is a thornless, sterile, fast-growing, high-yielding superior bamboo. Two, it acts as a carbon sink and absorbs excess CO2 in the air 3 to 4 times other than trees. Okay? See, in such questions, if you don't know anything, you just have to take a guess. Okay? So for that, we will try to use some logic. So when Bima bamboo means something, it came in news recently. That means it should be a superior quality bamboo. Either it can be a newly found one or superior quality one. Here is what our newspaper reading comes into the picture. So it was given that it is a new kind of bamboo that was developed by scientists in Tamil Nadu. So a new kind of bamboo was developed. That means it will have some superior qualities over the old one because it was developed. So the statement one will become right, even if you use the logic also. Okay, and also it should be able to absorb excess carbon dioxide because this is also one of the superior quality compared to the old bamboo. Okay, and even if you go by the theory also, both the statements are right. So C, both 1 and 2 are right answers. अब आप देखते हैं थोड़ी बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन इस बैम्बू बीमा बैम्बू के बारे में. ठीक है, तो रिसेंटली क्या हुआ, द तमिलनाडु एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी, द TNAU, यहाँ पे साइंटिस्ट ने इस बीमा बैम्बू को डिस्कवर किया गया है. तो इस बीमा बैम्बू को एक्चुअली इट इज अ सुपीरियर क्लोन ऑफ द सेलेक्टेड बैम्बू. एक बैम्बू को सेलेक्ट किया है और उसका थोड़ा थोड़ा क्वालिटीज एनहेंस करके इसको क्लोन किया गया है. ठीक है, इट्स अ वेरी हाई यील्डिंग बैम्बू स्पीशीज. इस बैम्बू स्पीशीज this can grow about 1 to 2 feet per day. Normally bamboo will grow at about 35 to 40 centimeters per day, but this kind of bamboo, the Bima bamboo, can grow at about 1 to 2 feet per day, and it has been developed by the conventional breeding methods. The conventional breeding methods use के इसको develop किया गया है. और what are conventional breeding methods? Like the traditional breeding methods, they are known as conventional breeding methods. Okay, not the new breeding methods like either genetic or something like that. By using traditional breeding methods, this was developed. Okay, so this variety grows well in southern India also. So as it was developed in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so this cloned bamboo is a superior clone selected from Bambusa bablacua, a high-yielding biomass of the bamboo species. Okay, it's a thornless, sterile, fast-growing, high-yielding superior bamboo, which can grow in the field for hundreds of years without the need of replanting. This is the major advantage, and also it can absorb excess carbon dioxide in the air 3 to 4 times compared to that of other trees. So it's a superior quality one. Okay, so this is about the new bamboo species, bamboo. Now we'll see the next question. The next question is about a tiger reserve. Annamalai Tiger Reserve, which was in news recently, is located in which state? A. Kerala, B. Telangana, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Odisha. You have to choose the correct answer, and the correct answer is option C. Tamil Nadu. Option C. Tamil Nadu is the right answer. So Annamalai, Annamalai. Okay. So recently, why this question was actually asked is recently residents of two tribal settlements within the limits of Annamalai Tiger Reserve were gearing up for the annual festival of their local deity Vairapattana, Vairapattan, Vairapattan. ठीक है इसीलिए it was in news. And in Tamil Nadu, if you see, there are four tiger reserves. There are four tiger reserves in Tamil Nadu. What are those four tiger reserves? Annamalai is certainly one. Okay, and the other one, what you have is the Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. Okay, and the third one is the Mundathurai Tiger Reserve. That is the third one, and the last one is the Madumalai. So there are four tiger reserves in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so this Annamalai is the fourth one, and it was recently formed over in the among the four tiger reserves. Now हम देखते हैं some more information about this tiger reserve. So this is the 29th and one of the four tiger reserves in Tamil Nadu. We have discussed already this. What are the four tiger reserves? It lies south of Palakkad Gap in Western Ghats. So it lies in the Western Ghats. It is a part of the Parim, Annamalai Parambikulam Elephant Reserve, which was declared in 2003. Okay, the wildlife sanctuary was declared as a tiger reserve in April 2007 and declared as a critical tribal habitat in December 2007. There are six tribal communities which are living in this tiger reserve. Remember this. There are six tribal communities: Malsar, Malmasar, Kadar, Muduvar, Pulayar, and Iravalar. Okay, so these are the tribal reserves that are tribal communities that are living there, and that they are going to celebrate this. They are going to celebrate this festival. Okay, that is why this was in news, right? Okay. Now we'll move on to the next question, the last question of the day. This is the previous year question, and we will discuss this question. This is a question with regarding to the Agenda 21. So, with reference to Agenda 21, sometimes seen in the news, consider the following statements. It was asked in 2016. The first statement: it is a global action plan for sustainable development. The first statement says it is a global action plan for sustainable development. Second one, it originated in the World Summit on Sustainable Development held in Johannesburg in 2002. You have to choose the correct answer. If anyone have read environment thoroughly, this question is very easy. You can directly eliminate this second statement because this Agenda 21 is an outcome of the World Earth Summit, World Earth Summit of 1992. This is an outcome of World Earth Summit. Okay? So this second statement is directly wrong statement. And the first statement, it is a global action plan for sustainable development. This is right. It is a global action plan for sustainable development for the 21st century. That is why it is called as Agenda 21. Okay? So since 2015, the SDG goals are included in the Agenda 2030. Okay? So this is about this Agenda 21, and here the correct answer will be option A, one only. The correct answer will be option A, one only. Okay? So that's it, friends. These are the 5 questions for today. So here is some more information about this Agenda 21, which was discussed already. Okay. So if you want the solution of this PDF, or you can solution of these 5 questions, you can find that in the Telegram channel. In Telegram channel में इन 5 questions का solutions you can find them in the PDF format. ठीक है. तो इसके लिए आप जाओ और description में जाओ और इन Telegram group को ज्वाइन करो और do subscribe to our YouTube channel as well and click the bell icon. ठीक है. और So here I want to tell you once more about the initiatives. We have launched the Vision Test Series summary and the Vision PT65 summary, whose details you can find in the Telegram channel as well. Okay? So चलिए friends, we'll meet again tomorrow. Till then, keep studying and stay tuned. ठीक है? जय हिंद. Thank you.